Hey guys, today's yoga is for weight loss, so let's get started. To start the yoga, lie down on the yoga mat facing upwards with your arms beside your body and feet stretched out, heels touching each other. First pose is Siddhikon Asana, also known as accomplished triangle pose. To begin with, need to sit on the mat with your legs straight out in front of you and hands at your sides. Legs spaced out and stretch your feet. Raise your arms onto either side of your body. Inhale deeply. As you exhale, bend and touch your left feet with your right hand. Then touch your right feet with your left hand while breathing deeply. Repeat this asana 3 to 5 times if you are a beginner, working up to 10 to 20 times after practice. Benefits of this asana: it helps in reducing stress levels, helps in reducing fat around the stomach, tones the muscles of arms, shoulders and legs. While performing this asana, make sure keep breathing deeply. Bring your legs close to each other and stretched out. Next pose will be Patchamasana, the forward bend pose. Raise your hands on the top of your head, take a deep breath, bend backwards as much as you can, don't push too hard. Bend forward while exhaling, then repeat the same. Repeat the asana 3 to 5 times to start with, take up to 10 to 20 times, but only after practice, don't push yourself hard. Benefits are: it calms the brain and helps relieve stress and mild depression. Stretches the spine, shoulders, hamstrings and improves digestion. Helps in relieving the symptoms of menopause and menstrual discomfort. It soothes headache and anxiety and reduces fatigue also. Lie down on the yoga mat facing upwards to do the next asana. Next asana is Padvidasana, single leg circle. While taking deep breath, lift your right leg and start making circle clockwise and anti-clockwise. Try to make 5 to 10 circles without touching the floor. While making circles, breathe normally, or you can hold the breath in the middle of the circles with your legs. Repeat the same with the other leg and keep breathing normally. Benefits of this asana: it helps in weight loss if this is done regularly. It reduces fat at the hips, thighs and influences your stomach to light and firm. It gives appropriate shape to the stomach and reduces fat around the stomach. Tones the muscles of legs and thighs. this asana 5 to 10 times to begin with, working up to 15 to 20 times with practice. Relax and get into next asana, which is Ardhalasana, also known as half plow pose. Place your hands under your hips to support your back. Inhale and slowly raise your legs together without bending them at the knees. And bring them vertical to the ground. The body from hip to shoulders should be kept straight. Maintain the final position for 5 to 10 breaths with body awareness. Repeat the asana 3 to 5 times if you are a beginner, and take it up to 10 times or more with practice. Benefits are it relieves constipation, improves circulation, it helps in strengthening thigh and calf muscles. It can help you lose weight and reduce belly fat. It stimulates abdominal organs. For those it's hard to do with both legs, can do with one leg at a time. Make sure you keep breathing normally while performing this asana. Relax for 10 seconds before we move to next pose. The pose is Salabhasana, the Locust Pose. To perform this pose, first we'll change the position and lie down on the mat. With your chest facing downwards, legs stretched out and palms by your side facing upward. Put your hands under your thighs to give some support. As you inhale, lift your one leg at a time if you're a beginner, and keep breathing. Repeat this asana 5 to 10 times to start with, working up to 15 to 20 times gradually. After practice, you can start doing with both legs at the same time. Benefits are it regulates metabolism, helps you lose weight, it also reduces stress and tension. It also tones the back, strengthened, and this asana creates a healthy posture. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.